Hey guys, it's your girl Eonnie Dear here, and today I'm just gonna be showing you a look to match with these really cute Black Lives Matter earrings that I got. I'm where I got the earrings from. It's a fellow YouTuber who I support and love. You can check out her channel too also, but let's get into the look. So I already prepped my skin, I already put the primer on, I already washed my face, and now I'm going to be doing my coverage foundation from The Ordinary. And as you can see, I'm just dotting it all over my face and then taking my cushion and just patting it all into my skin, just to leave like an airbrush kind of look and finish. So now I'm just gonna pat in everywhere on my forehead. I usually don't like to use a lot of makeup on my forehead because I don't really have much blemishes up there and it's not really much to cover up, so I just lightly dab over my forehead with the remaining foundation on the cushion. Mostly just want to get coverage under my eyes, by my acne marks and all of that. Now I'm just taking this cute little eyeshadow palette called Pretty Cool, and I use the color right there, and I use that to contour. Now usually I don't like to use a warm base brown because that's more for bronzing, giving you like a bronzing, glowing, healthy kind of look. I want to contour. Oh, as you can see here, my brush broke, but we ain't gonna let that stop us. We just gonna use it. But yeah, like I was saying, I use the cool tone just because I feel like a cool tone is more of something that creates a shadow, and that's what I want. I want to make it look like I don't got this double chin. I want to make it look like my cheekbones are higher, that I have maybe less of a forehead, and you just keep going and you blend till it's more looking like a shadow, more like that is your natural face and how your face is sculpted, even though it's not. So that's the difference between like contour and bronzing. As you can see, look here, I put way too much for nose contour. So what I do is I just pinch to make the bristles more dense and concentrated, and I just blend, and I carry it up into my eye. Now I'm doing my eyeshadow. I'm just taking this orange color and I'm placing it more on the outer edges of my eye and fanning it out. I'm not really putting much on the inner corners. I'm just going from the middle of the lid and fanning it outwards, making it, my favorite, the little cat eye. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm just taking that and just blending it outward. You don't have to be precise. I'm not precise. I'm just taking my shadow and building it up. Now I'm just going to go into my Bretman Rocks palette, and I'm going into the King of the Jungle shade, which is a perfect bright gold shade. And with my finger, I just take that and spread it all over my eye. Now with these, usually with like shimmers, they look better when you use a finger, but with this palette, if you use a brush, it looks just as good. Like usually sometimes it won't look as nice if you use a brush, but with this palette, the shimmers, oh my god, they look so good even with a brush. So if you don't like using your fingers, you can go ahead like I do right now and use a brush to get a more detailed look from the inner corner to the outer orange. And I just try to blend in the gold and the orange with my finger a little bit. Now as you can see, I'm taking that same brush and I'm just going into the same orange shade, going underneath my eyes, and then taking that same gold shade and going in the inner corners. Also, to deepen the look, which I didn't show, I used a little bit of a dark brown on the inner corner right by my lashes and just dotted it in. But yeah, so now I put on my mascara. I showed you what type, Pretty Velour. And now I'm just going to put on my blush. I'm using another palette and placing a pinky corally toned blush. Now I like to put it at the high points of my cheeks and then bring it downward. I also like to go over my full cheek really lightly and over my nose just to give a cute little look. Now I'm going back into the Bretman Rock palette and I'm going to take this color here. I think it's the color Prowl, and I'm going to use that as my highlighter color. I could have used my Becca, but I thought this was cute and I wanted to try it. So I'm just taking my fan brush and I'm just going right over my cheeks, on my temple, bringing it on my nose, Cupid's bow, chin. You can put highlighter wherever you feel like. You already know how I feel about highlighter. I don't have to keep saying it. I need everyone to see me. So be as bright, be as subtle as you want with your highlighter. It's up to you, boo. Now I'm just taking a normal lip liner pencil. That's the shade of my lip. I'm just lining my lips normally. Then I'm gonna take a MAC lipstick in the shade Satin and go over that, giving the lip color. And then after that I take my Adesi lip gloss, which you'll see in a second, and I just go over everything. Yes, this is the MAC lip gloss lipstick in Satin. It's like a pale color. And then I use the Adesi lip color to give it a nice more brown. Right now it's kind of like a pale color, and with this lip gloss gives it a nice more brown color like my liner. As you can see, just putting it all over, and the lip application just became really thick, so I just take a normal napkin and I just dab my lips where the excess is, and it feels better. Now I'm just taking my body luminizer that I got from Wet n Wild and I'm putting it all over my shoulders, giving you that Rihanna moment. The Walmart Rihanna moment. Anyways, but yeah, I'm just taking that and just glistening it up my body so it'll look really cute in pictures when I take later. As you can see, it gives like a bronzy silver shine to the body, which I really like. And I do the same thing with the neck, shoulder, and I bring it on my chest and I bring it on my neck area. Now, just to get a little fancy, I'm gonna show you what I do next. I put it right where I put, as I said before, I like highlighter. So I took a little bit of my body luminizer and put it on the high points of my cheeks. Cause you know, I love highlighter and I can't get enough of it. It might be an addiction, but we ain't gonna get into that right now. But anyways, right here, as you can see, I put a little bit on the back of my finger and I just dab it on the tops of my cheeks and into my temple, just to make the color be a little bit more unified from my body on my cheeks. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you like the video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Love you guys. Bye bye.